Hello and welcome back to my channel The Tech Bit. I am back with another new video. So today in this video I will show you how to set up live wallpaper in PC for free. So unlike wallpaper engine and Steam which cost around $3, this application is free of cost and it is open source application. So without further ado, let's start the video. So first thing first, if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing to help me reach 1k subscribers. So to back into the process, so for live wallpaper, all you have to do is download lively wallpaper from Microsoft Store. So link will be given in the description. So go to your browser and search for lively wallpaper. So here we are. So here you can see different links. So this is an open source project in GitHub. So you can also download here from here, but I will be going to this Microsoft link. So get lively wallpaper from Microsoft Store. So here we are. So if you see here, you can see install slash open. So I have already installed this, but if you click here, you will be redirected to the Microsoft Store in your laptop. So it's buffering. My internet is slow. So this is the wallpaper engine in Steam. So it's around 2.79 USD. So here we are, lively wallpaper. Here it's showing install. So you can install it from here. So after installation, just go into your search bar and type lively wallpaper. So you will be showing the type of options. So here are different modules which you can load as wallpapers. So I have selected for this. So here you can see this is another live wallpaper. So this is also responsive with the music. So if I play music from YouTube, so you can see here I'm not doing anything. So you can also customize this according to your need. So right click here and go to customize. So here are different options available. So you can select each of them and try each of this. So other from this modules, you can also download custom modules from the browser. So if you go here and type, so here they are. So you can download any of them, and you have to just drag and drop here, and it will be automatically loaded, and you can just select it. So this one I have downloaded from here. So you can see here. So this is all to set live wallpaper. This is free, of course. So if you love these videos, consider subscribing and like and share too. Thanks for watching.